Hey, what's up, guys? 2016 Ford Transit 260 or 250. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to reset that oil light. I mean, it ain't showing, but if you're doing your oil change and you don't reset it, it's gonna pop up, and you're gonna be looking. Ooh. All right. Anyways, it's simple. Take your key, put it in there, put it in the second position. One, two, right there. Don't try to start your car. Everything comes on by your engine ain't running. You understand? You feel? All right. Then now you take your leg, your two legs, and you push at the same damn time. I mean, the same time, simultaneously on the brake pedal and the gas pedal, just like that. And you're gonna see a message pull up on the screen, just like that. And then you just hang on to your legs and you chill, maybe 7 to 15 seconds. Chill, man. Don't be in a hurry. Mechanic is patient. That's what it is, brother. All right, we still chilling, 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 and it's complete. There we go. Ready to rock and roll. All right, guys. Simple like that. I want to start my car, and I'm ready to do my oil change. Thank you, guys. Thumbs up, subscribe. Mechanic is fun.